Bakken on the 26th of June at Klampenborg, Denmark.
You want me to do anything?
No, I can just take it for a taste. Whoa. These are backward sloping steps which I don't think are going up at all. More backward sloping steps. Now we've got forward sloping steps. At this point you can either go down the stairs over there or down the slide over here. I'm going to take the slide. Some push buttons here. that work various air jets. Somebody's coming down the slide. Just gone back up the stairs, which is the alternative to coming down the slide. Most people seem to go down the slide like this family here. Beyond that is some more space, which is not currently used. So from about here is where the new scenic works could begin. At the top of this staircase, either out there down through the stairs or through there down the slide, and maybe even beyond there in this unused cavity. We go down the staircase. This area is ripe for development because it's quite a large area of wasted space. The slide is okay, but it's a little bit boring, and maybe something more exciting could be done with a slide. And the rest of the area is rather underutilised. But if you put walls in, then you have to be aware of fire risks and so on. But certainly there is the opportunity to improve the fun of this area substantially. There are the buttons that the operator can use. Big fan here blowing straight up. It's about 450 diameter. So climbing wall with ropes. Some air nozzles here, top of the step. Bit of nonsense up there with a sailor figure who can ring a bell. These are now considered a bit dangerous and are to be covered in PVC and soft foam. This floor vibrates, which is very, very noisy. So some way of vibrating the floor more quietly would be very good. There's a kind of lino on the floor here. above this space there is not used at the moment and is a cavity, and there might be something that you could see as you got on the slide, perhaps. More air jets down there. Another air jet. Another. Whoa!
A lot of garbage at the moment. Just to get in the air.
Okay, so that's the slide.
That's a slide.
Yes.
And here we have a door into.
This is the climbing wall, and above here is empty also.
It's just.
Yes.
Actually, they had a slide here because when we were to go, there were an old slide that turned out. There still was there. I have removed it now. But you spin like this way around instead.
Yes.
And in the beginning, when they built a game here, but you know, I want to call it, if you remove this one, make a floor.
Yes.
Go this way, put some barrel in different sizes, and let's soft balls just roll down through and say okay, and make that kind of. I don't say it's have to be moved. This one is the old one we have on the roof. We just put it down here,
Yes.
doing nothing.
anchor tank just fell off here
Yes.
1 week ago, so we're bought a new one to put up again. But,